The snow has finally stopped falling here in the Flathead, and although the storm may be over, the cleanup has just begun. Just like everyone else in the Flathead, our day began by shoveling the driveway, just to be able to leave the house.
A lot of snow blowing, a lot of shoveling. So hopefully we've seen the end of it right now, so we're able to get on top of it. We started pretty early, so we've been able to stay on top of it.
Plows have been busy trying to make the main roads passable. Downtown has feet of snow piled in the middle. However, the side roads have not been plowed and are very hard to travel. People are coming together to help neighbors and businesses dig out of the snow. At the Samaritan House, a bunch of people are working to clear snow from both campuses to ensure they can conduct business as usual.
Fortunately, we have a lot of help. We have a lot of us out here doing it, so it's been really good and really easy on all of us.
The roads are still very slippery and snow covered, so if you have to travel, be cautious and go slow. And most importantly, just keep shoveling.
We live in Montana. This is it. This is what we do.
In Kalispell, Kiana Wilson, MTN News.